We begin with Korea's stock market. Seoul's benchmark KOSPI and tech-heavy Kosdaq plunged to a 3-year low today as trade tensions between Korea and Japan intensify.
The secondary bourse also had to halt trading during the day as the index fell below 600. Our SEO Eunkyung starts us off.
South Korea's benchmark KOSPI closed Monday at just under 1947, losing 2.56%. During trading, it fell below 1946, the lowest figure in 2 years and 9 months. The KOSPI had fallen below 2,000-point mark last Friday for the first time in 7 months. The Kosdaq, Korea's secondary market, plunged almost 7.5% to 569.79, the lowest level since January of 2015. Once it had fallen more than 5%, the Korean exchange triggered a cool-off period known as a sidecar, during which all program trading is halted for 5 minutes. But the sell-off continued.
The worsening global trade environment has affected the Korean stock market to some degree. However, if you compare the KOSPI and the Kosdaq was down more. After all, market concerns about companies' future performances, especially biotechnology companies such as Shilajit, were reflected in this big drop on the Kosdaq.
It wasn't just Korean stocks that suffered. Major indexes in Asia were also down significantly. China's benchmark Shanghai Composite fell more than 1.6% to around 2822, while Japan's Nikkei and Hong Kong Hang Seng Index were down 1.75% and a little over 2.8% respectively. The expert points out all the external factors that have investors worried about slower growth, including a Fed rate cut that was less aggressive than some hoped for, President Trump's announcement of a new 10% tariff on $300 billion worth of Chinese imports starting September 1st, and Japan's removing South Korea from its whitelist of trading partners. SEO Eunkyung, Arirang News.